Good morning, students. Today, class on dispensing of mixtures containing precipitating forming liquids. Most of the liquid preparations contains resinous matters. These resins are present in tinctures. These resins are mixed with water. The resinous matter present in the tinctures get precipitated. These precipitate can be attached to the sides of the bottle, or after some time it can be placed, it can settled or clotted precipitate at the bottom. The formed precipitate cannot rediffuse upon shaking. To prevent this problem can be used suspending agent. There are two types of suspending agents can be used for dispensing of mixtures containing precipitate forming liquids: compound tragacanth powder and compound tragacanth mucilage. The resins most commonly present in tinctures. Dispensing of mixtures containing precipitating forming liquids by using tragacanth powder. The following procedure can be follows. Weigh the required quantity of diffusible solids, indiffusible solids, and it can be converted into fine powder. After these fine powder can be mixed with tragacanth powder in the ratio of 2%. Titrate the powder with a small portion of the 3/4 of the vehicle to mix together until smooth cream can be formed. Once smooth cream can be formed, the precipitating forming liquids are transferred into center of the smooth cream. It can be mixed. Next one, add remaining portion of vehicle from 3/4 of the quantity, and also add liquid ingredients and also add soluble ingredients and mix uniformly. After examine the content for if any foreign particles are present, pass through the mixture through muslin cloth. The final volume of the preparation can be made up with remaining quantity of vehicle. That transfer the contents into bottle, cork and label. The label should be contains shake the bottle before use. This is the procedure involved in dispensing of mixtures containing precipitating forming liquids by using compound tragacanth powder. The next process is dispensing of mixtures containing precipitating forming liquids by using tragacanth mucilage. The procedure can be explained. First, diffusible solids indiffusible solids can be weighed and it can be converted into fine state. These powder can be added to the precipitating forming liquids and mixed with tragacanth mucilage in the ratio of 1 by 4th. It can be titrate until smooth cream can be formed. Once smooth cream can be formed, add half of the vehicle. The prepared mixture can be examined for foreign particles. If the foreign particles are visible, these mixture can be passed through the muslin cloth to remove foreign particles. After filtration, if any liquid ingredients or soluble ingredients are present, it can be mixed with. The final volume of the mixture can be filled with remaining quantity of vehicle. Transfer the mixture into bottle, cork it and label. The label should be contains shake the bottle before use. This is the procedure or dispensing method for mixtures containing precipitating forming liquids by using tragacanth mucilage. Next one. By observing the following example, prepare and dispense the following mixture. The mixture containing potassium iodide 2 ml, tincture of lobelia ether 4 ml, tincture of stramonium 16 ml, chloroform water up to 90 ml. In above mixture, potassium iodide is a solid, tincture of lobelia ether and tincture of stramonium contains resins. These are mixed with water to form a precipitate. So, for dispensing of these mixtures follows precipitating forming mixture method. The procedure involved in dispensing of above prescription is mix 20 ml of tragacanth mucilage with equal ml of water. Mix together. Add in the center portion of the smooth cream tincture of lobelia ether and tincture of stramonium, and with continuous stirring it can obtain smooth cream. After smooth cream can be formed, dissolve the potassium iodide in water and mix it the above mixture. If any foreign particles are present, it can be passed through the muslin cloth or piece. Add more amount of chloroform water to the mixture to make up with final volume. Transfer the mixture into the bottle, cork, label and dispense. This is the procedure for dispensing of mixtures containing resinous matters by using either tragacanth mucilage or compound tragacanth powder. Today class discussing about dispensing procedure for mixtures containing precipitating forming liquids by using suspending agents. The suspending agents are compound tragacanth powder and tragacanth mucilage. Thank you.